Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to do video calling on WhatsApp web. Friends, if you want to do video calling from your laptop or computer, then you need to install WhatsApp application on your computer. As there is no video call option available in WhatsApp web. So to install WhatsApp application on your computer, you need to open web browser. Now here open WhatsApp/download on your web browser. Friends, I will leave this link in the description of the video. From there you can open this web page. Now here you will find the option to download from Microsoft Store. Click on it. Now you need to save this WhatsApp installer on your PC. Now you simply need to run this WhatsApp installer. So this is the application file which we need to run. So simply double click on it and it will automatically install on your computer. So friends, by using this WhatsApp web application, you can very easily do video calling from your laptop or computer. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.